Hello everyone, welcome to the 18th session of Business Statistics Part 2. In the present session, we'll be discussing about calculation of probable values of x and y based on the regression equations. So this calculation of probable value refers to finding out the value of y when x value is given and finding out the value of x when the value of y is given based on the regression lines. So let us look into the first illustration, that is, from the following data find the most probable value of x when y is equal to 90 and the most probable value of y when x is equal to 70. And the given data are the arithmetic mean and standard deviation of x and y is given and the correlation coefficient is 0.80. By looking at the requirement that we have in the formula and comparing it with the given variable, we can decide that the calculation will be on the basis of bxy and byx coefficients. The value has to be substituted to the two regression equations to obtain the probable value of x when y is given and probable value of y when x is given. The calculation will be in this way. First, let us look into the x on y value, that is, let us substitute the given values into the x on y equation. The equation goes like this, that is x minus x bar is equal to r into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y into y minus y bar. By substituting the values to this equation, it will be x minus 18 is equal to 0.80, that is the correlation coefficient, multiplied by 14, that is the standard deviation of x, divided by 20, that is standard deviation of y, multiplied by y minus 100. And when we solve this equation, the value will be x minus 18 is equal to 0.56 multiplied by y minus 100. Now we have to multiply this 0.56 to y and also 100. I hope you know the mathematical procedures that we follow, that is 0.56 y minus 0.56 into minus 100, that is minus 0.56 into 100, that will give us 56. Okay, plus 18. So plus 18 refers to the minus 18 in the left hand side, that will come to the right hand side and that will give us plus 18. When we compute the equation, the final equation will be x is equal to 0.56y minus 38. Now we should be substituting the value of y into this equation and we should find the value of x. That is, when we substitute y is equal to 90 into the equation, the x value will be 12.40. So in the same way, we should be calculating the value of y based on the value of x. That is, all the values that we have used in x on y equation will be inverted or will be opposite in nature in case of y on x here. That is, y minus 100 is equal to 0.80, the correlation coefficient will remain as it is, but standard deviation of x goes to the denominator and y comes to the numerator, multiplied by x minus 18. When we solve these equation, will end up with the equation, that final equation, that is y is equal to 1.143x plus 79.42. And when we substitute the x value to this equation, we will be obtaining the probable value of y. Here, when x is equal to 70, when we substitute the value, that is 70, into this equation, we will obtain the value of y, that is y is equal to 159.43. So this is about the probable value of x on y when the value of y is given and probable value of y on x when the value of x is given. Thank you.